Welcome back, pups! Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway!
Let's practice our ABCs! Hey there! Welcome to my ABC dictionary! Let's learn some letters together! Chase is on the case! Ramp! Ramp! Let's put this word R! A! M! P! Ramp! A ramp is a slope surface to make it easier for things to go from low to high without lifting or jumping.
Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway!
Farmer, we've got some letters to construct. Hey there! Welcome to letter construction. R! Use the crane to put the letter together. R! Great job! R is the first letter in run.
No!
Oh no! Let's put this word R. U. N. Run. Nice job! Run starts with R.
Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway!
Farmer Yumi can count on us.
Thanks for giving me a hand on the farm, Marshall. It's nap time for some of these animals. Can you bring them to me?
Ready or not, I'm coming in hot. All right, you sleepy sheep, follow me. 6, it's 6.
Well done. And for these sheep.
You bet.
Nice work.
Now you sheep get right to bed, you hear? Wonderful job, Marshall.
Thanks. What's next?
Some of these sheep need their wool sheared.
Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway!
We've got...
And on my quest to find the chicken tulip, I must have driven through a few too many leaves.
Here's the issue, but we'll have to clean it first. Heart. A heart is a shape that is used to show love and affection. It has 2 rounded parts and a pointy end.
Ooh, that's amazing! Look at you go!
Green means go.
It's as good as new! Thank you so much, Rocky!
Happy to help. And anytime you have a leak, break, or scrape, just come see me and I'll get it into shape. Yikes! That edging doesn't sound right. Help me. Who's ready for a dance party? A magic song. Hey there, are you ready to play some music? Pick a song. Let's take to the sky. Ready, set, dance! Yo ho ho.
Someone's calling! It's Mayor Goodway!
Do you want to color with me? Hey dude, welcome to my beachside art gallery. Are you ready to make some possum art? Sky! Tan! Brown! Pink! Amazing! Black! Yellow! That's so cool! Nice job!